PDM Studio, the open, high-performance solution for managing product data. In this video we present the Solid Edge integration in PDM Studio using the example of a single part creation and drawing derivation. When creating a new document, you can be supported by a wizard. First you select the appropriate CAD template with all settings. In the following input mask you enter the master data for the document. This mask is individually configurable and can consist of input fields, list fields or even calculated fields where the information comes from external sources. For example, the material field is filled directly from the CAD. Fields highlighted in red are mandatory fields. You decide which information is mandatory to enter. This way you ensure a consistent, high data quality. After this step, Solid Edge starts and you can start creating the part. All PDM Studio functions that are frequently used are available directly in Solid Edge. Switching applications is therefore not necessary in many cases, and thus ensures faster work. All documents that are currently being processed by yourself are displayed here and additionally marked by a green font color. When you select a document, all information is displayed and updated. In this case, for example, the master data with the material transferred from the CAD. Now we have a drawing created for the 3D model. Here you are also supported by a wizard that guides you through the process. After you have selected the drawing template, the values from the 3D model are taken over according to the individual configuration. The drawing is thus also completely synchronous. The model is now placed on the sheet with the appropriate scale and the specified orientation. If you need to find a specific part, the quick search function supports you in this. Enter a search term and the search results will show all documents where this search term appears anywhere in the data fields. In PDM Studio, we immediately see a direct link between the 3D model and the associated drawing. After we have now opened the 3D model for further changes, we want to open directly, without changing the application, also the associated drawing. By updating the drawing with the changed model, all data is also at the same level here. Of course, this also applies to the information in the title block. When you have made all the changes, you release the document and thus pass it on to the next phase of its life cycle, which is also freely definable and supported by a wizard. The structure and the master data of the document are displayed again for verification. After the process has run through, the status in PDM Studio also changes. In this case, PDM Studio is configured so that after a drawing is approved, a PDF is created and automatically included in PDM Studio. If you would like to learn how quickly and easily you can make these configurations yourself, feel free to check out our information on PDM Studio Automation Designer. For more information, please visit us on www.pdm-studio.tech/en.